Hello, and welcome to FTx Academy. My name is Michael, and I will be showing you how to create an item within the Pricebook module within the Control Center. There are many different ways to create an item within the Control Center, but today we're going to review how to do so manually. Let's take a look. To do so, on the left side, you'll navigate to Point of Sale, Pricebook, and then Products. On the Products page, you'll see a list of all of the products that are associated with your account. To add a new one, you'll go to the top right and click Add New. Doing so will take you to the Create Product page. Here you can see we have quite a few tabs, but one thing to note is that information with an asterisk at the end of it is going to be required information. So for example, you can see under the Details tab, UPC has an asterisk at the end of it. That is to indicate that this is going to be required information before we are allowed to save this product. Under the UPC field, we allow up to 50 characters, but we do recommend a 12-digit UPC. Next, we require a name. Once again, this has a limit of 50 characters. This is to reflect the name of the product that you are adding. Please keep in mind, if you are adding an item that has a parent and child relationship, it may be a good idea to add a part of the name be something that's easy to distinguish between the parent and the child. So for example, if you're adding a carton of cigarettes, you probably want to add carton somewhere in the name. Next is the category. The category is going to be, well, the category that this product lives in. To choose the category, you'll click the Pick Category hyperlink, which will take you to the Choose Category pop-up. Here you have a list of all of your categories, and if you have subcategories in them, all you need to do is click it, which will take you to the next level of category or subcategory for that major category. For example, let's select water. So this item is going to live in the beverages major category in the water subcategory. The next required information is going to be the department. Clicking on the department dropdown shows us a list of all of the departments that we have in our account. You will select the appropriate department for this item from this list. After you have selected the appropriate department, scrolling a little bit further down, we get to our pricing. Now in this example, we have 4 Pricebook zones. We have other training videos on Pricebook zones, but this is where we assign our pricing and the cost of the item. Your pricing is going to be the amount of money that you are selling the product to your customers for, and the cost is going to be how much you pay for this product. Additionally, if you have the cost field filled out, you can type in a margin that you would like to make, and it will dynamically update the price column. Scrolling further down, we have the parent/child link information. If you have the parent and the child items created, or in this scenario, if you have the child item created, you can click the Assign button, which will bring you to the Select Child Product pop-up. And then from here, you filter to the item that you would like to assign as the child, so that when you save this product, it will be saved with the parent-child relationship. Highlight the product, and then click the Apply button. After we have selected that item, you can see that it now shows under the child item field. Please keep in mind that is not required. However, if you have the product already built, you can do so this way. After you have selected the product, you can see that it is now under the child item field. After this, you assign how many of the children live within the parent. And then once you fill that information out and click the Save button, that item will be linked to your item that you're creating here as the child. Scrolling back up to the top, if we click one of the 3 Save buttons, we get a Product Added Successfully message in the top right. And now we have that item in our Pricebook. And that's how you manually create an item within the Control Center.